If you've accidentally deleted messages on Threads, there are a few steps you can take to try and recover them. Follow these steps to see if you can retrieve your lost messages. Step 1. Check archived messages. Look for any archived messages within the app. Sometimes, messages may not be deleted but simply archived. Navigate to the archive section and see if your messages are there. Step 2. Review backup options. If you have enabled backups for your Threads app, check your backup settings. Go to the app settings and see if there is an option to restore messages from a previous backup. Step 3. Contact support. If the messages are crucial and you cannot find them, consider reaching out to Threads support. Provide them with details about your issue and they may be able to assist you in recovering the messages. Step 4. Check linked accounts. If your Threads account is linked to other social media accounts, check those platforms. Sometimes, messages may be synced or stored in linked accounts, and you might find what you're looking for there. Step 5. Regularly back up your data. To prevent future loss of messages, make it a habit to regularly back up your data. Enable automatic backups in the app settings to ensure your messages are saved periodically. By following these steps, you may be able to recover deleted messages on Threads. Remember to regularly back up your data to avoid similar issues in the future.